TDS Rate Chart is a tool which help in checking the TDS rate of a particular section for the selected financial year. This video explains the process to use this tool. Click on Utilities. Click on TDS Rate Chart. Select the section for which the TDS rate needs to be checked. Select the financial year. Click on Go. The current TDS rate for the company, non-company, and invalid PAN for the selected financial year will get displayed. In case there has been changes in the TDS rate during the course of a financial year, then all the TDS rates will get displayed. The latest one would be in the last row. Click on Exit to go back to the main screen. Thanks for your time. Hope you found it useful.